Sponsored by
Well, my New Year's resolution for 2016 is actually to stop taking money from my mother. And excluding college fees, of course, I'm just going to be taking care of my own personal expenses through promotional events or everything. And I just want to buy her something from my own earnings.
So for 2016, my resolutions would probably be to do something for myself and to do something for the community. For myself, I'd probably like to learn driving. So that's my resolution, to learn driving.
So my New Year resolution for 2016 is to eat healthier and go to the gym more.
Sponsored by